everyone, Ethan Smith here, sales representative with Royal LePage Crown Realty Services, and today I get to show you my newest listing here in Paris, Ontario, 4 Cross Street. A lot of people know that Paris has been dubbed the prettiest little town in Canada, but what you might not know is this is the prettiest little house in the prettiest little town in Canada. This home sits on a quiet street, just a short walk from downtown shops and the walk along the Grand River. Let's take a look inside. Welcome to your own personal backyard oasis. This oversized lot features a koi pond, a huge garden space, covered patio area for friends, and so much more. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait for you to enjoy it. For any questions or a private tour, please give me a call. I'm Ethan Smith, and we'll talk to you soon.